Yeah, so this is coinmarketcap, and I'm about to show you how you can get web3 jobs via coinmarketcap. So the first step you're going to take is to click on the hamburger icon. There is this three dash at the top right. This one. Yeah. So once you click it, I'm on my mobile phone. I'm on my mobile phone, so you can just do it with your mobile phone or your PC, anyone you want. You click on cryptocurrencies. Once you click on cryptocurrencies, the next thing you're going to click on is recently added to check which cryptocurrencies were added to CoinMarketCap recently. So you're going to see a whole lot of them, a whole lot of them. Then you start researching on them. You start researching on them. So it depends on what you're looking for, and um, and all that. Depends on what you're looking for. So you might see some names here. You can't like start searching all of them except you have time. But then for me, I might just choose to search by name. Like if your name is not sounding so much of a shitcoin, then I will just research on you, because a lot of shitcoin exists, and you work for the group and all those type of things, and you won't get paid and all that. Sometimes the the project might rock pool or something like that. So because of that, I just choose to check names. So like look at this one here. Look at this one here now. Digi Health. Digi Health. It looks, or it sounds it sounds cool, and it looks like they would be serious with the project and all that. So you click on it. This is just an example. I'm not saying you should take this Digi Health too. This is just an example. You click on it, and you're going to see informations about it, a lot of informations about it. So it's still loading, but you see a lot of informations about it. But then I would be more focused on this particular place here, because I need their socials. I need to go to their social media. Get? So you click it, and they have Twitter link. So let's go to their Twitter. So this is their Twitter, and they already have about 14.6 thousand followers. Yeah. Um since they already have high following, getting a job, it seems they've existed for a while, and getting a job might be a bit difficult, because they might already have people doing these jobs, but you can still try. But then um if you see lesser followers, maybe 10k, 9k, 8k, would be better, would be better off. So for this one, if you look at this place, you're going to see that this is a telegram link. This is a telegram link. So you could just click on their telegram link, so you can go to their telegram and know if you can see their admin. So this is the telegram, it's opening. Yeah, this is the telegram. So you just join the telegram, observe what is happening there, observe what they are lacking, and now look for who gives announcements and all those type of things. Try to message the person, tell the person that you can offer that particular thing that they are lacking. Depends on what they are lacking. That you can be a moderator, you can be a community manager, you know, that kind of thing. Depends on what you see that they are lacking in the group. You can say, oh, you can offer so and so and so and so and so thing, and all those type of things. The community manager, the dev of the dev or the admins of the channel would now like know if they are going to work with you or not. I hope this helps someone. So this is basically just how you go about searching for jobs through CoinMarketCap. There are other ways, but this is just like a basic way, and this is for beginners, aimed people that have not done like this stuff before. I hope it helps.